Hi friends, we're painting watercolor floral bouquet. It's a floral arrangement looking straight down from above, and the light source, a very gentle light source, is coming from top right. I'm painting pink ranunculus first and adding a little bit of soft pink, grayish pink to the outer edge of the floral, and more saturated pink for the area that's near the center to increase contrast, so that to raise the area closer to the viewer. And the gold center is added. Little bit of shadow from the petals. Now I'm painting bicolored anemone and using warm gray and cooler gray to render the white petals of the blossom. And here comes the pink accent. Even the same pink accent will look different in the lighter area. And here's the trademark dark center for the anemone, and I'm adding a little bit more of a warmer gray shade, and we'll come back to the center when it dries up a little bit. Gray leaves. I'm keeping the leaves pretty simple, same as this complementary secondary floral. So I want to keep the pink ranunculus and the bicolored anemone as two main flowers, and this third peach anemone will be secondary floral, and another group of leaves. And leaves is mostly gray and gray with a little bit of green, just to add variety. They are similar in size and shape. These are the main groups of leaves. Another group of leaves, a little bit cooler green, cooler greenish gray. As you see, I already added some accent flowers, and a little bit, adding a few more darker green. Now black currants. I think those black currants are adding some contemporary touch to the traditional floral arrangement. And some gold accent leaves, darker fuchsia accent flowers here and there. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.